The number one reason why your gums are bleeding is not what you think. It's actually quite simple, and once you know what it is, you can fix it very easily. So make sure to watch this video all the way through so you don't make any mistakes. Bleeding gums is a very common problem that a lot of people suffer from, especially when they brush their teeth. They start bleeding. Why is that? Well, there are many reasons why your gums could be bleeding, but like I said, the most common reason is not what you think it is. You see, the gums are very sensitive, just like the skin on your body. And if you were to take a razor blade and scrape the skin on your body, what would happen? You would get a cut and it would bleed. Well, the same thing happens with your gums, but instead of a razor blade, it's usually your toothbrush that is causing the damage. And here's why. Most toothbrushes are way too hard, and they have stiff bristles that are designed to scrape plaque off of your teeth. Yes, that's great. Plaque needs to be removed. But what's also true is that plaque is not the only thing being removed. A lot of the times, your gums are being scraped as well, causing them to become irritated and inflamed. This is why your gums are red, swollen, and bleeding. But luckily for us, there is an easy fix to this. You see, if your toothbrush is the problem, then the solution is quite simple. You just need to buy a new toothbrush that has medium texture bristles. This will clean your teeth without irritating or damaging your gums. There are some toothbrushes that have both hard and soft bristles. Make sure that the bristles are on the medium side. If your gums are red, swollen, and bleeding, definitely avoid using any kind of hard bristle toothbrush. The solution is that simple. However, there are other things that can cause your gums to bleed as well. For example, if you have diabetes, that can cause your gums to become very weak and start bleeding. Or if you're not getting enough vitamin C, that can also cause bleeding gums, because vitamin C is essential for healthy gums. So make sure you eat foods that are high in vitamin C, like citrus fruits and berries. Also, if your gums are bleeding when you brush, you might be brushing too hard. Be gentle with your gums. If your gums are very sensitive, try not to brush for more than 2 minutes. Another thing that can cause gum irritation and bleeding is using a tongue scraper. If you have a lot of bacteria on your tongue, you can use a tongue scraper to remove it. But be very careful when using a tongue scraper because you can easily damage your tongue and cause it to bleed. So the next time you go to the store to buy a toothbrush, make sure that you pick one with soft bristles. Another powerful quick fix for bleeding gum will surprise you. Get warm water in a cup and add 1 teaspoon of salt inside. Allow the salt to dissolve, then hold the salt solution in your mouth for 2 minutes. Repeat this for at least 3 times a day for a period of 3 days. This not only resolves the gum bleeding, but also fixes mouth odor. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button below and leave a comment. Subscribe for more.